In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade a picture in Microsoft Word. If you want to make a picture appear lighter or more transparent in your Microsoft Word document, you can use the built-in picture formatting tools. This can be useful when creating backgrounds, flyers, posters, reports, or documents where you want an image to blend more softly with the surrounding content. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to fade a picture. If you don't already have a picture in your document, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Click Pictures, choose this device, and then locate the picture you want to use on your computer. Select the picture and click Insert. The picture will now appear in your document. Next, click the picture to select it. When the picture is selected, the Picture Format tab will appear at the top of the Word window. Click the Picture Format tab to display the available picture editing options. Look for the Transparency option in the Adjust section. Click it to open the available transparency presets. You will see several preset levels that can make the picture more transparent. Select one of the options and look at the picture to see how it changes. As you increase the transparency, the picture will become lighter and more faded. This allows the content behind or around the picture to become more visible. If you want more control over the amount of fading, open the Picture Transparency options. This will open the Format Picture pane on the side of the Word window. Look for the transparency setting and adjust the slider to control how faded the picture becomes. Move the slider until you achieve the appearance you want. A lower transparency setting keeps more of the original picture visible, while a higher transparency setting makes the picture more faded. You can use this effect when you want a picture to work as a subtle background without making it too distracting. After adjusting the transparency, review the picture together with the rest of your document. Make sure the image is still visible enough for your purpose while allowing other content to remain easy to read. If you want to make the picture less faded, simply reduce the transparency setting. You can continue adjusting it until you find the right balance. Once you're satisfied with the result, click anywhere outside the picture to return to the main document. And that's how you can fade a picture in Microsoft Word. By using the transparency settings in the Picture Format tab, you can make an image lighter, softer, or more transparent directly inside your Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,